Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to create your own Ollama server using Google Colab and Ngrok. Okay. First of all, I'm going to go to Ngrok website. So just type ngrok.com. Okay, you are going to create your account here or maybe log in with your Google account. It's up to you. You're going to go to your Google Colab account. In this case, you need to have your login here. We're going to click on this icon, this key. And as you can see, you should set this name in the as one of the keys. Okay, after you just copy and paste, in my case, copy and paste, but you need to write it like manually. And then you are going to give it the value for this environment variable. And the value is our auth token from Ngrok. After that, you need to enable this so that it can be recognized from our code. And then we are going to run these commands. It's already here. Let's run it all. We're going to install, first of all, the Ollama server in our Colab VM, right? So to run CLI commands, you need to type this character first and then the whole command. Just I want to make you guys aware that you need to change your runtime type to GPU, right? T4 GPU. It's free. Just click on save. If you want to, you can have some metrics here. Okay, we're gonna get this warning. No problem for now. System D is not running, and this NVIDIA unable to detect NVIDIA, so no problem with it. Just keep going. After that, let's run our wget so that we can have ngrok locally in our Colab VM. It's done. Now we are gonna unpack this file in order to have our binary. Okay, it's here. We're gonna type this Python code here from google.colab import user data so that we can get the value of our variable that we have here. Simple code on 2 lines. Okay, this variable already get the value. Now we are gonna run this ngrok auth token. After that, we are gonna have our Ollama server up and running, but we don't want to have it blocking our CLI, let's say, although it's in the Colab, but we need to keep it in the background running as a daemon. This command will just avoid hugging our CLI internally. Okay, let's move on now, pulling a model. It could be another model. It could be Llama 3 or it could be DeepSeek, whatever. I'm gonna use this for this example. It's one of the free models we have and you can run inside Ollama. Let's run. Okay, now let me remind you where it is. It's here in the domains, that's the domain. Okay, you're gonna type this whole command because the Llama server is in our local host in this port, and it will tell the ngrok we want it the endpoint we get from our ngrok, and it will automatically call our VM, Colab VM in this port. So if you just run, okay, it's running. You can see that you keep running while we are using it. Let's just copy our domain and check if it's work. Okay, Ollama is running. It's our Colab server. that sent this message through our endpoint we created on Grok. So guys, that's it basically, and I hope you guys like it. Subscribe for more and hit the like button if you want more content, if you like it. And we are going to use this server. If you want to use these servers later, we are going to use Ollama server in the next videos to develop some apps and test AI agents in Python. So that's it. Thank you. See you later.